Baada ya kuaga dunia kwa aliyekuwa waziri George Saitoti na pia aliyewahi kuwa naibu rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, mengi yaliongewa kumhusu. Ila kisa kilichowahi vutia wengi kwenye mitandao ya kijamii na pia vyombo vya habari ni kile kuhusiana na yeye kudaiwa kuwa hakuwa na mtoto wake kivyake, ya kwamba kijana wake Zachary Saitoti, ambapo kuna mwanaume alijitokeza, alikuwa mwalimu, na kudai ya kwamba alikwenda mpaka mahakamani yule mzee akitafuta umiliki wa mwanawe George Saitoti ambaye ndiye Zachary Saitoti, akidai Saitoti pamoja na mkewe walimuiba mwanawe. Lakini acheni niwaulize, mimi niibiwe nijipate kwa familia ya Saitoti? Baba yangu ni Saitoti, ameniachia the whole Saitoti estate, the whole empire of Saitoti, and then a certain mother comes from nowhere, a certain chief wa kijiji ametokea sijui wapi, anakuja kudai eti babangu. Yo, mko na jokes by the way. Who will I choose? Niaje hii maisha mazuri nimejua kutokea nikiwa mtoi, then nienda nikakula shida na huko kijijini. Awe tigamani ni mkora wa mwena jokes sana. So ndicho kisa fulani nataka tuchambue leo on one of our stories ambazo tumekuwa tukiziangalia hapa katika FM show KE. Now the man went even ahead to undergo a DNA testing in regards to the claims of Zachary Saitoti being his son. Now, right now, this is the young man that went ahead to inherit all the proceeds of the late mathematician and the late politician George Saitoti. Because Saitoti, he was a man of many characters. Now, nataka tuangazie ni nini ambacho Zachary Saitoti anakifanya sasa katika maisha yake kutokea baba yake alipoiaga dunia. For Zachary managed to chart out a path for himself away from the prominence and political influence of his late father. According to his LinkedIn page, he is the lead photographer, graphic designer, and image retoucher at Shift High Limited, a company founded in the year 2009. Zachary attended Kenton College between 1994 and 1996 before proceeding to join the King's School, Canterbury, where he studied until 2001. He had a one-year stint at Seaford College and later attended the University of the West of England from 2003 to 2006. He graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Graphic Design. Zachary returned to the institution between 2006 to 2009. This time around, graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in photography. Now, over the course of his professional career, the young Saitoti stints playing straight for various companies and organizations. Between 2009 and 2012, he worked as a photographer for Clinton Photographic Company while freelancing for Fiasco Design. He also worked as a photographer and graphic designer for Soul Motive Records. Zachary had a stint at Trap Magazine as a fashion photographer, and between 2012 and 2014, he worked as the lead photographer and creative director at Cranium Inc. Since founding Shift High Photography in 2009, Zachary has worked as the company's lead photographer, graphic designer, and image retoucher. Shift High Studios is located at Hangwings Kodek Road in Harlem, Nairobi. He also doubles as the company's studio director, events coordinator, and experience curator. Zachary developed a passion for photography from a young age. It was introduced in the curriculum while he was in school and decided to pursue it as a career. I was in the darkroom taking photos and mixing up the chemicals. It was an amazing organic process, so I realized this is my thing. There is something about the way film looks, the grain, something very natural and nice about doing it. the old school way. Zachary stated during an interview with photography blog The Designer Studios. Now, he has continued working on his career, developing his career as a photographer, which is a cause that many despise in our country, Kenya. But the son who controls the estate of the late George Saitoti is a photographer. And he's mzee. There's another mzee who came and did a DNA, but he lost the case while he claimed that Zachary was not Saitoti's son, but his son. Mambo ni kama hiyo. Make sure una subscribe ndani ya FM Show. See you in the next video.